Just doing it. She writes too. She wrote that too? Yeah. Bunch of others too. I looked up to manager guy was she's good. Maybe she's a good. Ain't no be afraid of, bro. You know, it's like I don't know, you float out to sea, and then one day you find a port.
Like his boxes.
And we'll stay here for a few days. It comes a few years. And then you forgot where you were going in the first place. And you realize you don't give a shit about where you was going because you like where you're at. That's how it is. I like where I'm at. I didn't realize I liked it so much. So I saw your ass sleeping on the grass this morning. Yeah, oh man, the rest of my daughters, bro. I thought I could bring things to see on the plane, and I can't remember. So, glad you're here. You did make it to Memphis after all.
That's much enough.
No, he says, I like your food. Ew. Ew.
That's much enough of that.
Come on, kisses. That's my head.
Yeah, he's after that food.
Don't look there. Don't look there. Don't look there. Don't look at my food.
There you go. So,
Oh my goodness, look at the others. Kim's sick.
is that what you were doing when you left the table? Well, that's just temporary. No, Jack, wait a minute. Let's see like this. Let's do it today. No, for real. You get it, Jess. I'm holding my cousin right now. It's Saturday. Nobody's gonna be in there. Let's go. I mean, the place has a magical quality.
Okay, so it's finally got on the food. You do know who's eating your food.
Yeah, it's fun.
Can he eat cheese?